Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install ES File Explorer on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now to do this, just come to this find icon, go to search, and then you're going to look for the app. So use the keyboard to find ES File Explorer. So just type ES. So you see some options come up, suggestions. This one you want ES File Explorer. Give it a second and look for the app. So that's the app icon there. Click on it and give it some seconds to load. From there, you locate the download icon. I've just clicked on it and you see it's queued. Now it's going to download. So very soon you see it begin to download. And when it's done downloading, the installation process will start automatically. So you need to sit back, relax, and wait for the download to complete. And then the installation process will kick in. Now when the installation is done, you can access the app here or on the app library. So I'm just going to give that a couple of seconds and we'll proceed. So as at now, the download is at 90% plus. I'm just going to give it a couple of seconds to complete and we'll head over to the automatic installation process. So there you have it, the download is complete, the installation is complete, and now just clicking on the app will launch it, and there you have the beautiful ES File Explorer. Now if that video was insightful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.